Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which we are going to see how can you fix the camera issues with your PC, with your Windows PC. So camera issues usually can range from, like, if you have used an external webcam, then that is not recognized. So you can install the drivers, or you can make sure that actually the drivers are there and there is no issue related to the drivers related to camera if it is not working properly. Okay. So if you have an integrated webcam, then this issue ideally should not arise. But if again it is arising, then how are we going to solve this issue? That is what also we are going to discuss in this video. Apart from this, these steps will also work for any of the external webcams that you may be using. So what you need to do is just make sure you are on the desktop, right click on the start menu and go to device manager. Now your device manager might look something like this. This is actually your computer name itself. Just expand on it and make sure you are getting a camera or some of the display devices. So if you just go to the display adapters, so my camera is not there because the camera is present here in my case. Okay, so just expand it, and in my case I have the integrated webcam, then that is available. That means there is no driver issues in my case. Now there are two possible solutions to this problem. The first thing is you might not get integrated webcam, and the second thing is if you are using an external webcam, then you are getting the integrated one but not the external one. So in both the cases, what you need to do, go to the actions tab, go to scan for hardware changes, then it will refresh this list. It will scan for any of the hardware changes, any of the drivers that are not currently installed will be installed automatically, and then you will see that any of the external webcam or your integrated webcam itself would be showing over here. So that's how you can refresh your device drivers, just to make sure that all of your devices are well recognized, especially the cameras or the webcams that you're using in your Windows PC. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.